Alright, so now guys, we're going to be starting on investigation 3, in which it's asking us to simplify radicals, and that's what we'll focus right now. But the first thing I want to talk about with you guys is the idea of prime factorization. If you guys remember, and this is in your notes, prime numbers, it's a number that is divisible by 1 or itself. So like an example of a prime number would be like 19. And the reason why 19 is a prime number is because only 19 times 1 gets me 19, nothing else. So that is a prime number. 25 is not. That is not one because 5 times 5 gets me it, and 1 times 25. So that's not a prime number. Okay. But prime factorization is a number that is written as a product of all of its prime factors. So just to give you guys an example, is looking at 36. If you guys remember, you talked about this in middle school as prime factorization. We try to figure out, hey, what gets me 36? So for example, 2 times 18 gets me 36. Well, 2 is prime, so we're good with that. But now we want to break down 18, which is 2 times 9. 2's prime, but 9 is not. So what do I break that down to be? I break it down to be 3 times 3. So I list all of my prime factors. So that gets me 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is the prime factorization of 36. So just look at another example here. We got 144. So if I break down 144, well, I know that's 2 times 62. Oh, no, not that. 2 times 72. 2's prime, 72 breaks down to be 9 times 8. 9 breaks down to be 3 times 3. 8 breaks down to be 4 times 2. That's prime, that's prime, that's prime, that's prime, but 4 is not. That breaks down to be 2 times 2. So if I were to list all the prime factors together, that would make it 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is the prime factorization of 144. We're listing them all as prime factors. Can you guys pause the video for me and try these two for me? Try to figure out what 54 and 96 is. So hopefully what you guys got for 54 is it breaks down to be 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Alright? And for 96, you guys got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. Hopefully that helps each other out. You guys are going to use this in the next video, so we will talk about that next.